What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how the Tusk decking and timing tool can help you correctly rebuild the top end on your KTM or Husky two-stroke dirt bike. Typically, you're going to be using these tools during your top end rebuild. That's going to allow you to get the correct clearances between your parts on your top end. Now, they're going to do any combination of 3 different measurements, your X, Z, or timing height measurement, and these tools are bike specific. Now, each bike isn't going to use the same measurements. It's any combination of those 3 measurements. So make sure you type in your year, make, and model when you go to order this tool. The first measurement we're going to take is the X measurement. So all this is your deck height, and that just refers to the location of your piston when it's at top dead center compared to the cylinder itself. So you just take the tool, you're going to set it on top of your cylinder, and you can see on the tool it says X measurement. From that point, you're going to measure right here to the top of the piston, and if you have too much of a gap, you're going to have lower compression and the bike isn't going to run as well as it could. On the other hand, if you don't have a gap or it's even pressing the tool away from the cylinder, then the bike is going to be overheating. You're probably going to have some detonation going on, and that's not good either. So you need to have the correct deck height set, or that X measurement needs to be correct. So how you adjust that is by using different sizes of base gaskets that typically come in your top end rebuild kits or your gasket set. So with that, you can double stack gaskets or just use different sizes that come in the kit. The next measurement we're going to do with this is the Z measurement, and all that means is we're adjusting the power valve to where it needs to be. So all we're going to do is find Z measurement on our tool, and we're going to hang this edge on the end of the cylinder, and this is going to go on the inside. This is going to go into the exhaust port, and you're just going to rotate the power valve until it lightly seats against this corner, and then you can tighten down any adjusting hardware. Now, each bike's going to be a little bit different, so you want to refer to your model specific service manual for the specifics on how to do that. The last measurement we're going to take with our tool is the timing height. Now, you want to do this after you do your deck height or your X measurement. So we'll find that on the tool, and it's just this little area that's sticking out, and we're actually going to set that into the bore, into that cylinder bore. Then you're going to rotate the engine over until the piston lightly contacts this, and then you're going to check the timing marks on your flywheel. So if the timing plate, if that mark doesn't line up with the mark on the flywheel, then you need to rotate the timing plate either forward or backward until both of those marks line up, and then tighten down those bolts. And that's all there is to the Tusk decking and timing tool. If you need this or any other parts for your machine, be sure to pick those up on our website and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.